Rotary Club of Bombay West are so happy to be with you all today. मैं आप सबका बहुत खुशी से स्वागत करती हूँ Spoken English Learning Series में. So what are we going to learn in this Spoken English Learning Series? हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? हम रोटेरियंस आपको इंग्लिश करेक्टली बोलना सिखाएंगे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, सो आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगा. We are going to use stories, conversations, interviews, etc. आपके लिए so that आपकी समझ में आ जाए. आपने क्या करना है? स्टूडेंट्स, आपने केयरफुली वीडियोस को सुनना है, देखना है और प्रैक्टिस करनी है. वीडियोस आपके पास हैं, so you can replay them as many times as you want to. कोई डाउट है तो आप अपने टीचर्स को पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन I request that you listen to all the videos attentively and regularly, and also practice spoken English with your friends, classmates and teachers. It's only going to get easier as you progress. हमें भी जानना है आपका प्रोग्रेस कैसा है, so we're going to have some tests and also some interactive sessions. So हम शुरू करेंगे हमारी fun learning journey के लिए. Okay, so आज का टॉपिक है my introduction. If somebody tells you how you're going to introduce yourself, that's what we're going to do for you today. Students, today I have a story to tell you about two boys, Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam are two very intelligent and good students studying in 9th standard. Ram studies in Rajaram Podar School and Shyam is in Anandilal Podar School. There is an inter-school competition and children from many schools are participating in this event. आप भी गए होंगे inter-school competitions में, so you know what it is. Ram and Shyam have the first task, which is running a 100-meter race. There are students from other schools as well, and as soon as the whistle blows, students with full enthusiasm and energy start running on the track. And then what happens? Both Ram and Shyam try to cross the finish line at the same time, so it's a tie. They both share the first prize. Why did I take this little pause? Because I want you to remember, to know again, Ram and Shyam both got the first prize. They shared it. They are very happy, so are their class teachers and their classmates. Now, in this inter-school competition, the next task is introduce yourself in the best possible way. Ram and Shyam are very, very enthusiastic to participate. And to watch them, there are other teachers and their classmates. So, I'm going to first invite Ram to introduce himself.
Good morning, friends. My name Ram Ghanshyam Pawar. I, Ram, study Raja Ramdev Podar School in 9th standard. I study all subjects: Maths, Marathi, English, Geography, History, Science. I like study science. Likes play cricket. IPL I watch daily. My favorite player Virat Kohli, captain. He play and makes many runs. He very good. Good morning, friends. My name Ram Ghanshyam Pawar. I, Ram, study in Raja Ramdev Podar School in 9th standard. I study all subjects: Maths, Marathi, English, Geography, History, Science. I like study science very much. I like play cricket. IPL I watch daily. My favorite player, captain Virat Kohli. He make many runs. He very good captain. I has two sisters and me and mother, father and grandmother. Father working in office. I want to become engineer and do construction of roads in village. My village Parai, not many good roads. I like to watch movies. I like Akshay Kumar. He do exercise and stay fit. Thank you.
Now, Shyam, can we have you give your introduction?
Good morning, madam. How are you all today? I am naming is Sham Ramesh Patil. I am studying in very big good School, Anandilal Podar School. I studies in ninth standard. I is tall, thin and black hair. I has many friends and I study all subjects my teacher teach. I likes history very much because I likes learn about kings, queen and wars. I likes play kabaddi because it makes us strong. I play with friends. I likes eating Maggie, pizza, chips, and cakes. Mother scolded me for that and simple food to eat only. In my family, I, brother, mother, and father. Father works in college. Mother is home. I grow up and become a history teacher. And thank you, madam. Bye.
Very good, boys. First, let's clap for all the participants. Ram and Sham, I really like your ideas. You all really did very well. But I want to teach you the correct way that you can do your own introduction. So I want you to speak slowly and clearly. Carefully listen to me. I'm giving you one example. Good morning. My name is Shefali Shah. I study in Rajaram Podar School in the ninth standard. So Ram, can you say your introduction correctly?
Yes, madam. Good morning. My name is Ram Ghansham Pawar. I study in Rajaram Bodhar School in ninth standard. I study all
Stop,
subjects.
stop. See, Ram, I need you to understand that you do not have to say this so slowly or very fast. Okay, I'm going to repeat it one more time for you. Good morning, good morning, friends. My name is Shefali Shah. I study in Rajaram Podar School in ninth standard. Okay, Ram, are you going to say your full introduction correctly? I want you to remember to use the words is, in, but I want you to speak clearly. Okay, can we do this one more time?
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning. My name is Ram Ghansham Pawar. I study in Rajaram Podar School in ninth standard. I study all subjects, but my favorite is science because I like experiments. Cricket is my favorite sport, and Captain Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. In my family, I have two sisters, my parents, and my grandmother. My father works in an office, and my mother is a housewife. I want to grow up and become an engineer. I like watching movies, and my favorite actor is Akshay Kumar because keeps himself very fit. Thank you.
Very good, Ram. I'm very happy with your progress. Let's give you a big hand. Now, Sham, I want you also to introduce yourself in the correct way. You were listening carefully when I was speaking now and also when Ram was speaking. Okay, so you must also know that when you're introducing yourself, a lot of details are not necessary unless someone asks you. Okay, so keep that in mind. It need not be very long, but it has to be very clear and in a slow and clear pace. Okay, Sham, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Sham Ramesh Patil. I study in Anandilal Podar School in the ninth standard. From all the subjects taught, I like studying history because I can learn about the lives of kings, queens, and wars, etc. I enjoy playing kabaddi because it involves a lot of exercise. I do play kabaddi with my friends. I have a small family with my mother, father, and younger brother. My father works in college and my mother is a housewife. I love eating pizzas and cakes, but my mother asked me to eat simple food and healthy food. I want to grow up and become a history teacher. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching me this.
I'm so proud of you two boys. Did you all enjoy the lesson?
Yes, ma'am, we enjoyed the lesson and we learned about how to use is, in, and how to speak correctly. We also learned about how to use the words and give a introduction which will help us with not much information.
Very good. Do remember to say English. Okay? Can you say it with me again?
English.
English.
Can I hear it one more time from you, Ram?
English.
Yeah, that's better. So you must understand that when S and H is together, it is said as sh, English. Okay? And we're going to do many more lessons. So it's going to be more fun in coming days. Okay? Now, will you all practice this? And if any doubts, ask us.
Yes, ma'am, we will practice this and we will also repeat our introduction and try and speak in the correct language.
Very good. You must also read some more stories or newspapers to acquire more language. Okay? So till
Ma'am,
I see, yeah,
can I use Google?
you can use Google, but it's always nice also to speak with your friends and your teachers so that you know that when somebody is asking you a question, you know how to reply to them without giving too much information.
And ma'am, if I don't know any meaning of the word, how do I get that?
You can use the dictionary. You can use the dictionary which is available on Google also. And of course, you can ask your teachers. I know everybody is stuck at home right now, but you're welcome to ask your teachers and of course use the dictionary. It's all available on smartphones.
And ma'am, is the test going to be a hard test or is it going to be an easy test?
What do you think? Is speaking English very difficult? I don't think so.
No, miss.
It's fun. It's fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, your story was nice.
So when we have more stories, in fact, I'm going to have you people tell me stories very soon.
Sure, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
I thank you guys too and have a nice day. Okay? Till we see you next time. Bye.